If you have a busy schedule but still want to get in shape, here's one style of training that may work for you. It's called GBC training, otherwise known as German body composition training, popularized by the late great strength coach Charles Poliquin. GBC training refers to workouts which consist of supersetting lower body with upper body exercises. Also, they are typically high volume workouts focusing mainly on compound exercises. This is an efficient way to perform more volume in a shorter amount of time for someone that may only be able to train 3 to 4 days per week. And even though it shouldn't be the main focus, this style of training can also create a greater effect on calorie expenditure, which can help with fat loss. One of the many effective ways of structuring this would be to superset non-conflicting body parts of the lower body with the upper body, like the front of the lower body paired with the back of the upper body and vice versa. Examples would include supersetting the Romanian deadlift with the bench press or the squat with the chin up. Now feel free to screenshot the workouts I'm about to show on the screen and give them a try if you like. Here's an example of a typical GBC style split that I would create for a beginner to intermediate client. Assuming that you're training 3 to 4 days per week, you'd simply do day 1 and day 2, then rest and repeat.